Hi guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane. I'm Prajakta. Welcome back to a Real Talk Tuesday video on a Thursday for two reasons. ट्यूसडे को हमारे घर पे सुबह से शाम तक कारपेंटर वाले भैया आए हुए थे, तो इस चक्कर में बड़े सारे शेल्फ्स लगने थे, बहुत काम हो रहा था, बहुत आवाज आ रही थी, इस चक्कर में आई कुडंट शूट इट ऑन ट्यूसडे एंड आई ऑल्सो वांट टू शूट इट टुडे बिकॉज आज 13 तारीख है एंड 2 महीने पहले माई रोमांस नॉवल टू गुड टू बी ट्रू रिलीज्ड. आई डोंट बिलीव इट्स बिन 2 months. I also don't believe that I haven't done one of these things in a while because a lot happened, no, since the last time we spoke. Like, I got married, I moved out of my parents' house, I now have to live with a boy, which is fun, mostly, but fun. And it's been a lot. Also, ये एक दोपहर को खाना खा के सोने वाली आदत एक और अलग से लग गई है, जो ये छुट्टी ली थी 10-15 दिन की शादी के लिए. So now at this point there's a lot that I'm struggling with, but one of my biggest struggles with getting back to work is that I keep fighting that afternoon nap, dude. It's quite scary, but touch wood, I'm very excited and I'm very happy and grateful that I'm back at work and I'm back to filming videos and also other fun things. I am back to writing, I'm back to doing calls, there's a lot of brand work happening, and I just want to come here and tell you that thank you so much. Thank you. Kya hi list karu yaar. Thank you first of all. First things first, thank you so much for giving the book space. Thank you so much for actually spending time and money and energy in going and picking up that book and reading it and actually writing to me what you think about it. All sorts of reactions, feelings, perspectives, I appreciate. I understand it is my first book और बहुत सारी चीजें. I have a whole folder where I have things pinned, written down, attached for me to go back to as homework, because thank you so much to a lot of people who read a lot of books for actually reading and giving feedback that helped me in a good and about the things that you liked and about the things that you thought I could work on, and I love that. So I just want to make this video and say thank you for a lot of those things. Thank you for making Too Good to Be True what it is. I was very surprised that we crossed more than 150,000, 160,000. Don't quote me on this. I need to do a call. I should know this number. लेकिन जब शुरुआत करी थी बुक लिखने की, मेरे दिमाग में ये था, मैंने कहा पूरी लाइफ टाइम में अगर 10,000 बुक्स भी बिक जाए ना, मैं खुश हो जाऊंगी. तब मेरे पब्लिशर्स जो हापर कॉलिंस उन्होंने मुझसे कहा था नहीं प्राणी, तो लाइफ टाइम प्रोजेक्शन रखते 30,000 बुक्स. मैंने कहा पागल हो, 30,000 बुक्स कौन खरीदेगा मेरी. एंड देन वी क्रॉस्ड 100,000 विद इन आई थिंक द फर्स्ट मंथ, विच वॉज जस्ट. उसके बाद मैंने छोड़ दिया एक्सपेक्ट करना, सोचना, जो भी है. मैंने बस thank you bolna nahi choda hai, because I want you to know that there is nothing else I can do. I can just be grateful and tell you that I love you. Thank you so much for doing what you have for the book. Also, thank you so much for all the love, all the blessings, all the really good wishes and prayers that you've sent my way. Every time I posted about the wedding, thank you so much for being there and sending so much warmth towards Vishank and me, because हम जितनी बार pictures upload करते थे या रात को जब सारे function खत्म हुए हम बैठ के scroll करके देखते थे कि क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है, I would always go to bed with a smile because I would read your comments and I would read the sweet things you're sending to me on messages. बहुत सारे messages के replies करे, बहुत रह गए हैं, पर मैं धीरे कर दूंगी. I promise. Thank you so much for doing that. Overall, I'm good. I'm happy. I'm back to work. There's a lot of new fun things happening in life, but at the same time, I'm quite excited for them. And there's a lot of really fun, interesting work that's happening in life. And I'm very excited for that as well. So I just want to come in here and say hi. That's it. And thank you for everything. अब थोड़ा सा business. अगर आपने मेरी book पढ़ी नहीं है, it's called Too Good to Be True. It's a romance novel. It's my first one. It's published by HarperCollins. It's available on Kindle and it's available on paperback. I know a lot of you are asking for a hardback. I'll let you know about it. A lot of you are asking for an audiobook, which I've already recorded. You will know more about it very soon. But overall, things are beginning again. So I knew that if I'm getting back to work, I had to start with a YouTube video. So I'm here now. Okay, I'm going to go up, make chai banaungi. And I have to work on 2 brand scripts. So yeah, I'm going to see you very soon until we meet. Love.